Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Make sure speakers or headphones are physically connected, paired, and powered. Once done, open Windows Sound Settings and set the correct playback device as default. This tells the system where audio should go. Then open the volume mixer to confirm the app you're testing isn't muted or at 0%. These quick checks remove obvious routing issues so you can move to driver and format steps with confidence. Next, update the audio driver. Use Device Manager or the OEM Updater, because outdated drivers cause dropouts and device mismatches. Then open the Device Properties Advanced and set a standard sample rate like 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz, mismatched rates cause clicks. Also, disable exclusive mode and audio enhancements if you hear distortion. These grab the device exclusively or apply DSP that breaks some apps. Make sure to apply changes and test after each adjustment to isolate the cause. Finally, test thoroughly. Run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter and play a known good audio file to verify results. Make sure the app's output is set to the same device as system default and check per app volume in Volume Mixer. If problems persist, restart Windows Audio Services or uninstall and reinstall the driver, then reboot. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio suddenly cuts or warbles, try a different sample rate or a different port/device to determine whether it's a hardware, driver, or format mismatch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.